you get a Teletubby.
What?
Tell us.
This we're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was a cocaine
Just
or
pull a
what.
Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Loose Creek Diction, 1949. And at the end, I like to go, cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you in deep in his back. Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his back. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog